Good morning. I'm with you again today for another Bougie on a budget. We're going to start off with this little ensemble here. This is from Kmart and it's one of those suck me in everywhere bodysuits to help you look a little bit slimmer. This one is very comfortable. This has got like the skirt. This is not the one with the shorts. And I'm going to wear this for an extra layer, a bit of warmth today. And dress that I picked up at the Salvos. So let me just grab that. So this is the dress that I picked up, and I really like it. It's very, very wintry and cash, but I'm going to chuck on a pair of boots and maybe, I don't know, maybe a hat, maybe a little beret. We'll see how it goes. And this one was actually, it doesn't have a label, so I'm not really sure where it's from, but I think I got this one for like half price, which was probably a gain around the $3 to $4. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Do we like the stripes across? Some people won't wear stripes across, or do we prefer stripes down? Let me just grab my boots and chuck those on and see what they look like. Popped on my boots, my $15 boots from the Salvos, and I've added a belt to kind of give me a bit of definition. And I've grabbed my little beret out, so it gives real winter vibes and just adds a little bit of, I don't know, pizzazz possibly. And I've chucked on some gold hoops, and I've got my Dolce & Gabbana glasses on today. So they would be the most expensive thing in this whole entire outfit. So let me know what you think. So belt, with a belt, without a belt. So this is with the belt and this is without the belt. You could wear it either way. And just a little tip, if you didn't want the zip at the front, and we're going to take that off and hopefully fix the hair later. Pop those to the side. If you didn't want this at the front, here's a little tip. I do this quite often with dresses, is we are going to turn this baby around. There we go. And pop the zip to the back. There is my Bougie on a budget. You could even add a beautiful jacket to this if you wanted to, if you were going out at night, or leave it as it is. I might grab a jacket just so you can see what it looks like. This is with one of my favourite jackets. I'm pretty sure this is a Crossroads jacket that I would have picked up on sale, so around $20 odd, but I just love that I can wear it zipped, and it's like double zipped, or you can wear it open. In this case, I would probably leave it zipped up because I love the shape that it gives, or you could wear it open. So there we go. And I'm really digging this outfit today. So thanks for watching. And remember to like and share and all that jazz with all those things. Thanks for watching and have a great day.